Are you ready? Let's do this in 3, 2, 1, fight! And both robots spin up their weapons. Vertical spinner on vertical spinner. Both have really extended sort of... Oh, Insomnia dances out of the pit. Seeing some minute 44 left. Both have sort of these wedgelet type, really hard to approach from the two straight on defense systems, 130 left. Hearing some sort of weird sound coming from in there. Element 115 going at him, flips over. Insomnia comes at him, but Element 115 returns the favor and says, take a little bit of that back. That wedge vertical spinner is a pretty powerful combination, but just got a big hit from Insomnia. Thrown around again, we see a lot of damage on the top there already from one or two good hits. Under a minute at this point. Both robots jockeying for position.
Insomnia's lost a wheel.
Element 115 gets flipped again. Insomnia is also flipped. Element 115 can't move. So this is a count out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and